Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Messenger application on your smartphone. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end to find out how. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If you're on iOS, then go ahead and open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then open up the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search box and search for Messenger. Once you find the Messenger application, go ahead and tap on Install. This will begin the download and installation of the Messenger application on your smartphone. Once the application is downloaded, go ahead and tap on the Open button. Now this will open up the Messenger application. You can now use your Facebook account to log into Messenger and then use the Messenger application on your smartphone. So there you have it. That's how simple it is to download the Messenger application and use it on your smartphone.
How to archive message on Messenger. For that, first of all, open up your Messenger app. After you open up the app, select the conversation you want to archive. After that, slide from right to left on the conversation you want to archive until you see a menu option. There you'll see the option of archive. Tap on it. The archived conversation will no longer be visible in the main chat list. However, it goes disappeared or hidden until you bring it back. You can use this feature to ignore, remove unwanted notification, hide messages, and so on. How to mute someone on Messenger. For that, open up your Messenger app on your phone. After you open up the app, slide from right to left on the conversation you want to mute. Now, tap on More for more options. There you can see the option of mute. Tap on it. Tap to specify how long you want to mute notification for your conversation with this person. You have the option of muting them for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you unmute them. Select any one. Now you'll see a mute icon on the conversation you have muted. How to see archived message. For that, open your Messenger app on your phone. On your top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. To view archived conversation, tap on archived chats. Tap the name of the contact whose archived message you want to view, and Messenger will display all messages you have ever exchanged with that person. How to unarchive messages on Messenger. For that, open the Messenger app on your phone. After you open up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. There you can see the option of archived chats. Tap on it. Now select the message you want to unarchive. After that, slide from right to left on the conversation you want to unarchive until you see a menu option. There you'll see an option of unarchive. Tap on it. Now the message has been unarchived and the conversation will then be moved back to your main inbox.
How to fix your Messenger not sending pictures. So for that, you have to go to your settings here. You can go to your apps. You have to look for your Messenger on these apps. You have to click on Messenger here and click on permissions. You have to allow all these options here to OK, and then you have to go to your storage and click on clear data and click on OK. And after you perform all these procedures, you can go to your home and you can just restart your phone here by clicking on restart. And you can go to your Messenger and check if the problem is solved or not, and if the problem is not solved, then you can again follow these same procedures. How to fix Messenger chat heads. So to fix Messenger chat heads, you have to just go to your settings here. You have to go to your apps, and now you can look for your Messenger. We have to click on Messenger here. We have to click on permissions. We have to grant the access to all these stuffs here, and we have given the permissions here. And now we can go to our Messenger here, and now we can click on top left of this section, and now we can see your chat heads. We have to click it on, and this will be it. By doing this, you can fix your Messenger chat heads. And as you can see, this type of chat head will appear on your screen. And there is another way to fix Messenger chat heads. You can just click on Messenger and do uninstall it and again install it.
How to fix Messenger microphone not working problem on your Android device. To fix Messenger microphone problem, first open settings on your Android device. Then in the settings, scroll down until you see a section where it is written apps. After finding the section, press there, then you will be taken into another screen. Now scroll down and find Messenger in the list. After finding Messenger, press there and there you will see some privacy settings. Below privacy settings, you will see an area where it is written permissions. Press there and then you will be taken into another page where you will see some granted permissions. And down there you can see that your microphone has no access to the application. Press on microphone and then you will be able to see 3 different options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, and don't allow. Click on allow only while using the app, then go back and you will see that microphone will get access to your application.
How to fix Messenger Active Now status on your Android. So to fix Messenger Active Now status, you have to first go to your settings. You have to go to your apps here. You have to look for Messenger. We can see your Messenger here and we have to click on it. We have to go to storage here and click on clear data and click on OK. As you can see here, all our data are cleared here. And now we can again go to our settings here and go to apps. We have to go for Messenger here and we have to click on permissions. We have to allow all the permissions and now go to our Messenger here. You can either save your informations or you cannot save your informations by clicking not now. I'll just click on save info to save my informations here. And now I can click on continuous as on, which is my profile. I'll just click turn on. I'll just click on OK here again. I'll click on change here and click on done for messagings. And now you can see here we were not active. It is showing here active. In this way you can see the active peoples not showing active, and this will be it to fix the Active Now status Messenger on your Android. And there is another way to fix Messenger Active Now status. You can just click on Messenger and do uninstall it and again install it.
How you can ignore a message on the Messenger app. So first of all, open your Messenger app and make sure you are already logged into your account. So if you want to ignore a person's message on the Messenger, so if I want to ignore the message of the first conversation here, tap on the conversation of the person. So once you tap on it, you will see a pop-up where you will see your option with ignore messages. Tap on the ignore messages option. Again, a pop-up will appear to reconfirm your request. So tap on the ignore option once again, and that's how you can ignore a conversation on the Messenger app. How you can leave a Messenger group on your Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger app, then make sure you are already logged into your account. As you can see, there is a group. There are 2 members here, and if you want to leave this group, the thing you need to do is long press on the conversation and then this pop-up will appear, and afterwards you will see your option with leave group. Tap on it and again reconfirm it by tapping on the leave group option, and that's how you can leave a group on Messenger. How you can delete a group on Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger app, then make sure you are already logged into your account. So this is the group I have created recently. Now to delete this group, the next thing you need to do is long press on the group's conversation and then you will see a pop-up with delete. Tap on it. Now if you delete this group, then the conversation can't be saved. So if you tap on the delete option, then your group will be permanently deleted. So tap on the delete option, and that's how you can delete a group on Messenger.
How to unsend message on Messenger. For that, open up your Messenger app on your phone. After you open up the app, open up the conversation from which you want to unsend message. Tap and hold the message which you want to unsend. There you can see the option of remove. Tap on it. To unsend message, tap on unsend. Facebook Messenger will now replace your message with a notice that says the message was unsent by you. How to unmute on Messenger. For that, first of all, open up your Messenger app on your phone. After you open up the app, on the message list, Swipe left across the conversation you wish to unmute. Now tap on More for more options. There you'll see the option of unmute. Tap on it. Now you'll see that the muted notification icon has been removed. You will now regularly get notification from this person. This way you can easily unmute someone on Messenger.
How you can delete messages on your Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger, then make sure you are already logged into your account. Now this is your Messenger, and here the next thing you need to do is, if you want to delete the message of this first conversation here or any of the conversations, long press on the conversation like this. So once you long press on the conversation, you will then see a pop-up with the following options. Tap on the delete option. Again you will see another pop-up to reconfirm your request. Tap on delete.
How to log out of Messenger. For that, first of all, open up your Messenger application on your phone. After you open up your app, you can see your profile icon on top left. Tap on it. Scroll down and you will see the category of account and support. Under it, you'll see the option of account settings. Tap on it. Now, under security, you'll see the option of security and login. Tap on it. Here you'll see the list of devices where you are logged in. And now tap on three-dot menu icon and click on logout. Now go back to your Messenger and you'll see that you are logged out of your account. This way you can easily log out of your Messenger. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Social Nerd.